Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about another widget that Elementor Pro provides us that's called as block quotes, by using which you can simply highlight a particular quote on your website, where either it is in your blog post or anywhere, any particular page on your website, and also at the same time allow your visitors or website visitors to tweet this particular quote from their username. So how to do this? You can play around with the design. These are just the two simple designs that I just now quickly created, but you can create much more awesome designs if you play around with the design options that has been provided by Elementor. So let's go back to our Elementor editor and see what are the options we have for customizing this particular widget called as block quotes. So click on this edit with Elementor and go to page editor, and then here if you go to pro, if you go under this pro tab and scroll down right below right after this share button, we have this widget called as block quotes. All you need to do is just grab it and place it wherever you want to add it on your page. As soon as you put it here, this is the default design that we get, and because the background is dark blue, so it is inheriting the background color. So you can change it in the design style options later on, but right now let's see what are the content customizable options that we have. First thing that we can change is skin. Either you want to make it border, or you want to add a quotation mark, or you want to have a boxed styling, or you want to have a clean design like this, and you can later on customize this as per your requirement. Let me have this quotation mark, or we can have this block boxed style as well. We already have quotation mark and we have this border one, right? And then we have this alignment. We can have left align, center align, and right align. Okay, so the most preferred one is left align and center align. Let's keep it center align for now. And here you can add your content, in the sense you can add your quote, whatever you like, and it might be a heading or some interesting line or joke or something like that that you want to highlight and put it in this quotation. And you want to allow users to tweet that, so that you have here the tweet button as well. And here you can add the author name, John Doe, and if you want to allow users to tweet this quotation, then block quote, then you can enable it, or else you can simply disable it. If you enable it, you have some more options, like if you want to just show the icon and text, or just icon, or you just want to show the text, right? And let me select icon and text. What kind of skin you want, either classic or bubble, or just link. Let's keep bubble, and then here you need to add your username, so that whenever your visitor tweets this particular block quote, at that time your username has to be tagged correctly, right? Just to make sure your name is you are tagged correctly when a user shares this or tweets this. And then target page, it has to be the current page, or you can select none, or you can also select custom and add custom link. But for now you can simply select current page, that's fine. And then in styling options, what you have here is you can change the text color, and then you can update the typography, in the sense font family and font size, font weight, on all those things you can change it from here. Font size, and then you can also have this option to change the gap between, and then author name, author type, author name, you can change the color of that particular text, and then you can update the font family, style, and all those things. as we did above, and you can change the gap. Sorry, here can change the gap if required. And then the styling options for button, we have the option to increase and decrease the size of that button, and we have border radius as well. We can add and increase or decrease the border radius. Let's keep it like this. Yeah, this is fine. And the color of that button, do you want to keep it official or you want to change that color as well? It is recommended that you keep it official so that it increases the trust for users to click that button, and by default subconsciously people tend to click that button if it is official color, right? And then the box styling, you can add more padding inside that box or remove the padding. Let's keep it like this. And then on hover, what background color you want to change, let me make it white. As soon as I hover, it has to become white. And then you can add some border radius for this box as well if required. As soon as I hover on that, the border radius changes. And for normal, you can increase the border radius if it is required, but it doesn't look good if you do that. So let me keep it 0. This is fine. And then you can have some box shadow. Since the background is dark, so it is, you will not be able to see the effect of box shadow here. If you have background light colored, then you can easily see the box shadow effect as well. And for now, yeah, this is it for block quotes. And yeah, now go ahead and play around with the design options that you have, and let me see what you can come up with, and let me know if you have any questions. So this is it for this video, and we'll see you in the next video with another widget. I think probably it will be Facebook button and Facebook comments, right? So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.